there is another special person that I would like to impose upon it as she I'm not that sipping on her chocolate shake in the morning. Or it's overnight oats. But Auntie
I do
Sylvia,
love overnight oats. If you guys have not tried overnight oats, I love them. You don't even have to leave them overnight for them to be good.
Do you buy the overnight oats at Costco? You buy it?
No, I actually, I've learned that what I eat is just granola and yogurt. But I just call it overnight oats.
so there you go. Great one. That's all
It was good. Well, we'd love to impose on Auntie Sylvia for a hula if we could. She is someone that has supported us when we were pretty junk.
We're still junk, just not as junk anymore.
When we were less junk.
And she still comes around.
And she's still hanging out.
Yeah, she's still hanging out with us. Ah. You know, Auntie Sylvia, she is not only one of those people that support Hawaiian music. We're fortunate that she comes in and comes to see us, but she also does go and support a lot of other artists. And you know, in today's world, you know, for us as musicians and artists, we wouldn't be anywhere without any type of audience. And Auntie Sylvia is one of those. We don't take it for granted, but she is one of those constant in our lives, and we're very grateful for her.
Love you, Auntie.
So, thanks. To start things here, 2026. This is one of Auntie Sylvia's trademark moves. This is Hi'ilawe. Kumakakai